What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera distortion issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the distortion issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then move to the next solution. So if you have installed any camera lens protector, then remove that protector and clean the lens with a clean cloth. And after cleaning the lens, the distortion issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera distortion issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.